So what's up, guys? Welcome to Airsoft S&S. This will be officially our first video on the channel. Today we got an unboxing for you guys. It's the Elite Force Tundra with the scope included. So we got 470 FPS out this thing with a spring, 28 round mag, should be about 40 inches long. So let's get right to it. With the speed loader. See what we got. Looks like we got a little manual here. Standard stuff, you know. Let's see. Just a standard manual telling you how to use everything. What the gun looks like. It's anywhere else mag well. Okay. So let's open her up. Okay, I got the protective seal here. Let's take this off. Okay, so scope doesn't look too bad. Now we got the rifle itself. Oh, God. Not too bad, not too shabby. We got the barrel. Trigger. Nice. Allen keys. Screws for the scope for sure. Oh, great. Comes with a 2-point sling. Won't have to buy one of these. That's great. Speed loader here. This is the mag. Okay, so after a pretty long battle with this rifle, I've been able to screw it in. So what I did actually was I just took the Allen keys and I stuck it directly into here. Got it tight like that instead of using these little pieces of shit pretty much. And this one got stuck in. But we could give it a little blind firing test. So let's see what we got stored. Okay, not too bad. Now let's get the scope on this bad boy. So here we got the scope. Green tip on these, you could take that out though. I am a fucking moron. So to install the scope, you want to take off the screws on it, like so. And then you simply just place it wherever you feel is most comfortable. I'm gonna have mine about right here for now. And if I need to change it up, well, let's just see. Let me just see how it looks. Okay, perfect. So for me, this is a perfect type of way to set it up, like so. Now you just take these two pieces, put that there, tighten it up. Oops. Tighten it up. Like so. Oh, forgot to put the little rail system on this. So do that. Stop. Or is it this way? First, just this way. Now we just screw that bad boy on. Oh, come on. Nope, this is the wrong. Okay. So now we screw this bad boy on. There we go. Okay. So here we go. The Elite Force Tundra. Nearly 40 inches long. Let's hear it. We got the safety here. So iron safety like so. Now let's flow this mag up, go outside, shoot it a little bit, and see what we get. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm going to finish editing it up and hopefully it'll be up on the channel soon. Tomorrow I plan on going outside a little bit, getting some shots off with the Tundra, and hopefully I'll be posting that soon as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any recommendations on what I should post, please leave them down in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.